Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make those beautiful paper clips that look like specimens using pebbles, clear glass transparent, clear or transparent glass pebbles. First thing first, please subscribe for my channel because this will help me to develop my channel. Like this video and watch the rest of my videos because probably you're going to find them useful. So let's get started. Let me just sit. I hope that this video is going to be short. We'll see, I'm not sure. So I hope that you are fine and that you're happy and inspired by life. So, and I hope also that you're going to enjoy this video because it's very interesting, like an idea. So as you can see, I've already prepared some of my pebbles. They look like specimens also. Vintage. Very vintage. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to make those circles. This is 3/4 punch, which is in centimeters, 1.9 centimeters. Let me just make one. Okay, and I'm going to use it. So I'm going to upcycle, as you can see, this paper. Actually, it's not paper, it's cardstock from candies that I have because I like to recycle. So basically, when you have your pebbles, they're in different sizes. As you can see here, you're going to find them with different names. I was searching in Google search box because I was curious what is the English or English name of those pebbles, because in my language they're with different name. So I searched them and I saw that they are like clear. Their name was clear glass nuggets or clear glass pebbles. So if you write them, they will pop up. There are a lot of places from where you can buy them. Also, you can buy them from some kind of craft shop, hobby shop. So they're not so difficult to find them. And as I said, this one, especially this one that I'm using, they're in different kinds of shapes. As you can see, smaller. There are even smaller. Let me just show you. Even smaller, like this one. So basically, when you're using your stamps, because I'm going to use stamps, I'm going to use those small little stamps that I have from child. Those stamps are from my childhood. So I found them and I decided to use them because they're, as you can see, very small. This is ring. Oh, it looks very very beautiful. Never mind. So as I said, basically you need the paper under your pebble or nugget or transparent glass circle or whatever you can call them. Is basically you need them to be same size like the glass dome, because you don't need to cut them when it is in the same size. So let me show you. I'm going to make it, I'm going to use this distress ink and I'm going to make it a little bit vintage. Okay. And I'm going to use probably the heart again, but first let me just put some powder and use Then I'll try to make it in the circle. Okay. And now, let me just close this. I'm going to use my golden powder. I love this golden powder. I have same but in silver color. It looks very vintage and beautiful. Okay, there is my heart. So I'm going to use my where is this? Where I put it? Ah, He2, there it is. It's a bit difficult to work like that. Let me just clean the table. There is my He2, which is over here. I have this very, probably it's bad habit, I don't know. I'm always keeping my tools in the boxes in which I bought them. I don't know, it's like a habit to me. And, oops, what was that? Okay. And let me just hold it with something, probably something like I'm going to use this spoon from my coffee. Because I need to hold it. And it's done. It was very fast. So let me just remove my spoon. Okay. And you are going to put some little glue here on the stone. Here, and I'm going to use my finger to smudge it, and I'm going to put here so let me show you. This is the way it's going to look, but when it's not glue, it looks like this. But with time, it's going to become transparent. For this glue I'm using is about 20-30 minutes or so. That is the reason why I prepared those stones that are clear. And I'm going to show you how you are going to glue them. It's very easy. You only need this. Oh my god, I forgot the name. Glue gun? No. Glue gun? Okay, nevertheless, I'm really sorry that I can't remember the name right now. I'm really sorry. I just forgot the name. It's very embarrassing. It's very embarrassing. Okay, so I'm going to need 2 more circles. Let me just see where they are. Okay. And I'm going to put, I know probably it's not very good idea, but I'm always using it like this. I'm going to put glue and silicone 2-in-1. I would like them to be more I want them to glue more better actually. Okay, let me just see where is the heart. The heart is in this direction. Oops. Okay, hold. Like this is well. And I'm going to put the glue here. Okay, like this, and I will wait a little bit, and after it's completely heat, I'm going to come back. Okay, so my glue is ready, and I'm going to glue. Let me just remove this one here and this one here. Apparently it's very hot because I forgot it. Okay. And this one here. It is done. Okay. Let me just remove this one here. No, I have to remove it on probably it's yes, it's for sure it's very difficult to remove it. And this one it's not. Let me just use it until it's not completely cooled down. Okay, probably I'm going to, never mind. So those are my, oh, it is ready. As you can see, it looks like this. It still have to dry because looks like silver, not like gold, so it needs more time, but you got the idea how to make them. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe one more time for my channel, because for sure 100% this is going to help me to develop more. Like this video, watch the rest of my videos, like them too, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.